Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are here at the tomb of Jahangir and we met some foreigners guests here, and I request them to introduce my perfumes and tell them what's the fragrance and what kind of is lasting, what their views. Okay, let's go. Hi sir. Hi sir.
Hello.
Hello sir.
Hi.
Sir, you are from
England.
England. Sir, I just starting my own business fragrance brand, and these are my two fragrances. First one is Feroz Allen and second Minion Elixir. I want to introduce you these, and can you tell me what kind of perfume would you like from both of them? Okay. No sir. Can you tell me about first one? That is the Feroz Allen.
Yeah, it's very nice, very fresh,
Okay.
and smells lovely.
Okay. And you about first one?
Yeah, very, very fresh.
Okay, fresh. You're feeling fresh?
Feeling fresh, yeah.
Okay. Sir, please tell you.
It wakes me up. It makes me feel fresh as well.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I really like it. Yeah.
Okay. And sir, what about the second one you feel?
Yeah, strong, and it prepares you for a nice day.
Okay. And what about?
It has a very sweet smell to it. It's kind of
Okay.
hibiscusy. I really enjoy it.
And what about you, sir?
Yeah, it makes me think of lots of trees and flowers.
Okay.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Thank you. Sir, actually, it's our own perfumes, and we manufacture this, and it's lasting 8 to 14 hours.
Oh, wow.
And our customers say give them feedback. It's long to 24 hours. It's not our saying. It's said by our customers. And imagine what kind of price in dollars you can say.
20?
Probably around that.
20.
Yeah, $20.
Sir, and after discount 2250 rupees, and when we collect them in dollars, can you imagine, it's just 10 to $15.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is extraordinary to hear.
Okay, can you recommend that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yep, I would recommend it entirely.
And you, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your time and feedback. Thank you, sir.